This segment sponsored by Neighborhood Health. Neighborhood Health offers health care for everyone, and they are expanding their services in Fort Wayne with their new location. And here to tell us all about it is the company's CEO, Angie Zaegel. Hello. Good morning.
Hi there. Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. Very excited to speak with you today.
Yes. Okay, so let's start off just kind of sharing about Neighborhood Health in your own words.
Okay. Well, we are a community health center that provides medical, dental, behavioral health, pharmacy, chiropractic services, and a number of wraparound services as well, including health insurance enrollment. And we're also the WIC provider, the Women's and Infant and Children Nutritional Supplement provider.
Wow, so you offer a lot of things. Okay, so currently you're in 3 locations around Fort Wayne, and this is your 4th.
Yes.
So what made you all want to open up in Oxford?
Well, at the time, actually, 4.5 years, well, 5 years ago, we were running out of space at the 2 locations we were at. And actually, the Ward Elementary School building came to my attention, and it's right in the zip code where over 4,000 of our patients reside. Many of them who had said that they were having transportation issues getting to us. And it's a zip code that's known for a high unmet need. So a lot of people are still not seeking care today, 5 years later. And then it has a really high rate of diabetes and hypertension and chronic diseases, and infant mortality has also been a high disparity for that location. And so it just seemed to make sense to go where our patients reside and be closer to them.
And that's great. And so as you are offering healthcare for all, you say healthcare for all, what does that really mean? How can people really interpret that? Because I know healthcare is such a big deal and it's so hard to attain it sometimes. So how do you go about offering it?
Well, the one nice thing is regardless of your insurance status, you can come to Neighborhood Health. So if you have even commercial insurance, we take most commercial insurances. We, of course, accept Medicaid, Medicare. But we also are available for people if they find themselves uninsured or underinsured. So we offer a sliding fee discount, and everybody is welcome. And our board of directors is comprised of a majority of patients.
Oh, wow.
So we're governed by our patients primarily, and that also lends a certain culture to Neighborhood Health being for all.
Right. And when you just think about how you all are different in the way that you serve your patients and the way that you serve your community, what is the biggest thing that really sets you apart?
I think that this Oxford project is a good example of that, where, the neighborhood had actually protested to save the building, and we came alongside in partnership with them in many different aspects to bring this integrated state-of-the-art clinic to their neighborhood. And I think also I mentioned the patient majority board of directors, so that does bring a real co-participation with our community that I think is next level, and it makes what we do and how we do it and I think the outcome of it even better.
Yes, and your new location will be opening up this June, right?
That's right, and we're going to be starting off with some medical, our prenatal program is moving there, and we'll have a pediatric and family practice and some behavioral health with a psychiatric nurse practitioner and some therapists there. And then we will be later this year opening up our second on-site retail pharmacy.
Okay, that's wonderful.
Yes.
Well, I think that that's just really great that you're offering something that sounds different. It sounds just really more inclusive. And then, as you said, you have such an array of services that you all provide. And so if someone's interested in learning more, checking out your services, how should they go about reaching you?
Great. Well, our main number is 260-458-2641. And then you can also go to our website.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you so much, Angie, for chatting with me.
Thank you.
And if you would like more information about Neighborhood Health, we'll have their website listed below. You can go online, look through their different healthcare options, and make an appointment. And I look forward to seeing you after the break. This segment sponsored by Neighborhood Health.